Hello everyone, welcome back to CarOG 765. If you love classic trucks, vintage American engineering, and the powerful machines that helped build America's transportation industry, you're in the right place. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest videos about legendary vehicles from the past. Today, we're taking a closer look at the remarkable 1965 GMC Crackerbox, one of the most recognizable cab-over engine trucks ever built in the United States. Even decades after it first rolled onto American highways, the GMC Crackerbox continues to capture the attention of truck enthusiasts, collectors, and historians alike. The nickname, Crackerbox, came from the truck's unique shape. Unlike conventional trucks with long hoods, the GMC Crackerbox featured a flat-faced cab positioned directly over the engine. Its boxy appearance reminded many drivers of a cracker box, and the name quickly became part of trucking culture. While the nickname started informally, it eventually became the truck's most famous identity. The 1965 GMC Crackerbox was designed for efficiency during a time when trucking companies needed to maximize cargo space while meeting highway length regulations. By placing the cab over the engine, GMC allowed operators to use longer trailers without increasing the overall length of the vehicle. This practical design made the Crackerbox a popular choice for long-haul transportation across America. One of the first things people notice about the 1965 GMC Crackerbox is its bold and distinctive styling. The truck's large windshield provided excellent visibility, while its flat front gave it a commanding presence on the road. Chrome details, large headlights, and rugged construction helped create a look that was both functional and memorable. Under the cab, buyers could choose from a variety of powerful engines. GMC offered several diesel and gasoline options to meet different hauling requirements. Many operators preferred diesel engines because of their durability and fuel efficiency, especially during long-distance operations. These engines were built to handle heavy loads and demanding schedules, making the Crackerbox a dependable workhorse. Driving a cab-over truck was a unique experience compared to conventional models. The driver sat directly above the engine and much closer to the front of the vehicle. This arrangement provided outstanding forward visibility and improved maneuverability in tight spaces. However, it also required skill and concentration, especially when traveling at highway speeds or navigating busy urban areas. The interior of the 1965 GMC Crackerbox was designed with practicality in mind. While it lacked many of the luxury features found in modern trucks, it provided everything a professional driver needed. Durable materials, straightforward controls, and a functional dashboard made the truck easy to operate and maintain. Comfort was secondary to reliability, reflecting the priorities of the era. Throughout the 1960s, trucks like the GMC Crackerbox played a major role in America's growing economy. They transported food, construction materials, machinery, consumer goods, and countless other products across the country. Every mile driven helped connect businesses, communities, and industries. The Crackerbox became a trusted partner for drivers who spent countless hours on the road. What makes the 1965 GMC Crackerbox especially interesting today is its historical significance. It represents an important chapter in American trucking history, when cab-over engine designs dominated the highways. Before modern aerodynamic tractors became common, trucks like the Crackerbox were among the most recognizable commercial vehicles in North America. Collectors and restoration enthusiasts continue to preserve these trucks because of their unique character and nostalgic appeal. Restored examples often appear at truck shows, classic vehicle events, and transportation museums. Seeing a beautifully restored GMC Crackerbox reminds people of a time when trucking was defined by rugged simplicity and mechanical reliability. Many truck enthusiasts appreciate the Crackerbox for its unmistakable personality. Its square shape, powerful engines, and hardworking reputation have earned it a loyal following. Even younger generations who never saw these trucks in regular service often admire them because they represent a golden era of American transportation. Another reason the GMC Crackerbox remains popular is its connection to professional drivers. For many veterans of the trucking industry, the truck brings back memories of long journeys, challenging weather conditions, and life on the open road. It symbolizes determination, independence, and the hard-working spirit that has always been at the heart of trucking. Today, surviving 1965 GMC Crackerbox trucks are considered valuable pieces of automotive history. Whether displayed at events, restored for personal collections, or featured in classic trucking publications, they continue to attract attention wherever they go. Their presence serves as a reminder of how far truck technology has evolved while honoring the machines that helped shape the industry. The 1965 GMC Crackerbox may not have the advanced technology, luxury features, or aerodynamic efficiency of modern trucks, but its legacy remains strong. Its distinctive appearance, dependable performance, and historical importance have secured its place among the most iconic trucks ever produced by GMC. Thank you for watching today's video on the legendary 1965 GMC Crackerbox. If you enjoyed learning about this classic American truck, be sure to like this video, leave a comment sharing your thoughts, and subscribe to CarOg 765 for more fascinating stories about vintage trucks, classic vehicles, and transportation history. Until next time, thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next video.